How many customers you have in one day? How many chickens they sell in one day? Can you ask like what's the most sold item here in the shop? So how many customers you have in one day?
What's up guys? Still Domi, still in good old Sipsagar, but Domi went missing. So I'm gonna give this camera to this worker. And he's still with me, the rockstar Bhaskar. So let's see. Yeah, worker.
Oh, hey guys. So Namaste dosto. Kela. Today's special video because today I'm gonna show you the life of the average workers here in Assam, India. First I'm gonna fix this motor and you gotta subscribe. So let's go and see how people live here. Let's go. So guys, at first we're here in a motor repair shop for all kinds of electrical motors, and we have people sleeping in the back. Not gonna show them, and yeah, just gonna show you the shop and ask some questions. And here's the owner. He's playing Mobile Legends. So let's just ask some questions. They're the workers. Good sleep? Okay. So this is like a shop where you can repair literally anything that has a motor or something. And yeah, let's just go and talk. So how many customers you have in one day?
4 to 5.
4 to 5. And they all bring motors, just motors, or something else?
Something else. And
Motors, water and fan and stone pressure motors.
But mostly motors.
Yes, mostly.
Okay. Like how much does it cost when let's say my vacuum cleaner is broken motor, and I want to repair it here? How much will it cost?
Between 2,000 and 2,500.
2,500. Oh, I thought maybe 200. That's India. 2,500. So those motors here, they're like, what are they for? For like pumps? Water pump?
water pump.
Yeah, they are water pump.
So, is your shop?
Yeah.
How many people work here?
5.
5 people. 5 people for 5 customers a day. So that's like you repair it in one day.
Yes.
So there's like up to 10,000 rupees a day.
Yes, 10,000.
Okay, that's nice. The workers, they sleep here or they sleep at home?
Yeah.
Here?
And some go to eating.
Oh, okay.
They all live nearby, so
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna take a short tour through the shop and show people. So here's where I was repairing. Here you have some electromotors and some special tools. And a lot of copper wire. And here you can see all the parts. If you know how a motor works, you know those parts. That's where the power flows through, back and forth, changing the magnetic field, making this thing spin once it's surrounded by this. So if you want to learn more, just type into Google or YouTube how a motor works. So they also obviously repair a lot of fans, and I don't want to step on the bed here. They repair a lot of fans, a lot of pumps, and mostly stuff that has to do with motors. So today I'm just gonna try to visit as many shops as possible and ask people about what they do, what they earn, and how their life is going. So here you can see like a lot of different stuff, a lot of motors. I think those riffle, what to say in English, those things here are probably for cooling the motor. And yeah, I don't know if there's much more to show here, but let me just ask one more question for the owners. So I filmed everything in the shop. So one more question. If you have anything to tell to YouTube or the world, what do you tell? Any message for anyone in the world? It's a broad question, but it just came to my mind. Maybe like don't throw away your broken devices and let them repair.
Peace, peace.
Peace, peace. That's also good. That's also good. So yeah, I guess next we're gonna go probably to a different repair shop.
Yes.
Or we're gonna go to a chicken shop.
No.
Chicken shop. Oh, the different repair shop is right here.
Yes.
How can we go in? Oh, this is another repair shop.
Yes. He repairs bikes and all that.
Oh, bike. I can see.
Bikes and scooters.
I can see the Activia. It's very common in Vietnam.
And he's the owner.
Shout out to all my Vietnam friends. He's the owner. I just hear Kela. He doesn't want to answer questions. It's fine, it's fine. I mean, he doesn't have to be on video. You can ask from here.
Yeah.
Any answer.
No, we didn't lie.
He doesn't want to answer questions.
No.
Oh. Maybe he's doing shady business.
I don't know.
We don't know. Okay, so probably the next place will be the chicken and pork store.
Yeah.
And maybe some other stores we can find.
Yes.
So yeah, I tried to really make this video shorter than normal, so shout out, thank you for showing the shop, and we're gonna see you at the next shop. Let's go. So guys, before we go to the place where the chicken comes from, we have a short stop here at the friend's restaurant. Your name?
My name is Kuldeep Singh.
Kuldeep Singh. Okay, nice to meet you. He's been cooking here for a while, and as we do in this video, we just go to shop owners and we ask questions. So like, how many customers you have in one day?
Dinner कितना customer है?
30, 40.
30, 40? Okay. So how many eggs do you use in one day?
2 plates.
2 plates? How much is one plate?
2 plates like 60, 70.
60, 70 eggs. Okay, the most important question, how many kilogram rice you use in one day?
1 day. 2 kg.
2 kilograms. For the raw rice? So boiled, it's going to be like 10 kilograms.
Yeah.
So people in Assam and Northeast India, rice runs through their veins. Like life is their life essence. People just eat rice. So any more questions?
What you gonna eat now?
What I'm gonna eat now? I'm gonna eat the noodles. But so you use 60 eggs, 2 kilograms of rice. Is there any? How much chicken you use in a day?
21, 25 kilo.
25
Kilogram. So he used 25 kilogram chicken.
Yes.
Now only 2 kilogram of rice.
Yes. Because people don't eat rice normally.
People just want the chicken.
Yeah, people just
Oh,
want
that's crazy. And yeah,
Because rice you get at home.
if you see behind me, that's how a traditional, like, how to call daba hotel
It's not it's a
restaurant.
Restaurant, yeah, it's a restaurant.
Fast food.
That's how it looks like in India. And yeah. So you're the boss. And
He's
you're also
he's
the
boss.
cooking.
Yes,
Yeah.
he's the boss.
You have any staff for cooking?
No,
Yeah. It's my wife.
Oh, hello.
Help.
Oh, she's the head. But you have no more staff for cooking?
Now.
Just you? Also, you make the good money. Okay. We're also gonna buy some stuff, but not gonna put into the video because it's gonna be too long. We have to film the chicken shop. You know, any more question I could ask a shop owner? Like, okay, one thing. I have a question. Let me just mix in the chicken.
Durga, এটা question আছে.
So, how much money you get from customers in a day? If that's okay to ask.
যদি কাস্টমাৰৰ পৰা কিমান পইচা পাওঁ এইটো সুধিছে যদি আনচাৰ কৰিবলৈ মন আছে কৰ যদি কৰিবলৈ মন নাই নকৰিবি এনেকৈ কিমান পইচা পাওঁ কৰিবলৈ মন আছে
Okay, okay. Another question, like, what's the rent of a shop like this? Maybe you can answer this. It's not. If not, it's fine.
ভাড়া
Rent.
Yeah, but how much? That's why I asked.
2,000
2,000 a month.
per month. Yeah.
excluding the electric bill and
Oh
all
wow. 2,000. That's like $17 for a month of rent. So we know he's gonna earn some money from the chicken. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and I'm gonna enjoy your chicken. And noodles.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So guys, we're not gonna make this too long, and see you at the chicken shop where the chicken actually comes from. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more like this, put it in the comments, and see you. The next place, as I promised, we are here at the chicken vendor and pork vendor. We're gonna explore a bit, and yeah, you can see the chickens and yeah, the stuff. And here's an interesting machine which gets used to get the feathers off the chicken. Maybe we can see it, and I think the feathers will come out here. But yeah. Also, can I ask some questions? Okay, so again, like, how many chickens they sell in one day? 25 kilo. How many chickens are this? 25 kilo. How many chickens are this?
that's like 5 chickens
5 chickens. Oh, okay. So here are the chickens.
these are the different ones these are the local ones
The Assamese chicken.
yes
Here the chicken gets chopped. Here you can see some feathers. And as I said, here's this machine. And it has those, it's a bit dark here. It has those rubber sticks. And you throw in the chicken and then it spins, I think.
yes
And then the chicken's gonna lose all of its feathers. It's gonna come out here. And yeah.
they also sell pork here
Yeah, they also sell pork, so this fridge is full of pork. So how much does one chicken cost? Like an entire chicken if I want to buy it?
এটা ব্ৰইলাৰ কিমান দাম হয়
কেজি নেকি?
কেজি হিচাপত 240 per kilo
240 rupees?
yes
Oh, that's cheap. That's very cheap. Oh, now you can see better with the light. And yeah. If there's anything more to show, I'm gonna let you know. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you at the outro or different shop. We don't know. Let's go. So we are on our way to the next shop. And all those shops I showed you, they're like this all over India. So it's not a special thing for Assam. All those shops, even you find in 4,000 kilometers away in Mumbai. And here's the next place we're going to, is the shop right next to our home. And yeah, but first, before we start here, let me get egg tanda pani. Egg tanda pani. And then let's ask if we can ask some questions or something. It's a typical shop in India. You always have the snacks here, some vegetables, some pan, and a lot of those small packs that have like soap and stuff, and cold water. So, let me get my water. Now we're getting inside the shop. You can see even more like this. Oh, they also sell like chai.
yeah
nice.
puri and all that
Oh, that's nice. Oh, even puri is my favorite. That's nice. So, can you ask like what's the most sold item here in the shop?
सबसे बेसी selling है yeah tamil betel nut and
Oh, palm. Okay, that makes sense. So, like, how many customers come in like a day? Like 50 or something?
yeah 50 to 100
50 to 100. Oh, that's nice. Even in this crazy heat. It is nice. It's the first time that I'm in the backside of a shop like this. I was in a pawn shop before. But it's nice. Next time we can get some chai. Okay, that's nice. Also here's like for eating.
Yeah, it's for eating puris and all
And
that.
they live here in the shop?
Yeah, that's their home.
Oh, okay. So they just pay rent for the home and shop is here
No,
for free?
it's their own, so they don't have to pay anything.
Oh, so they own.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Their
That's
own
nice.
property.
That makes sense. So how much is one pan?
It's double buy. For 5 rupees you get
5 rupees. So 50 people, 5 rupees, 250 rupees just in pan every day. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this shop too. Okay, I'm recording. And if there's more, I'm gonna show as always. If not, see you at the outro. So guys, I forgot here the shop. There's one more thing we want to show you. Because it's actually, you can see here. Oh, we can go down here. It's in the rainy season here. All those fields in the background, you're gonna see now. All those fields here, they will be flooded.
and water level will be up to this height.
Yeah. So people build the house like this, so that the water it comes all the way up here. But it's only you said for like few days
Yeah,
or maybe weeks.
and they can raise their pigs and all that.
Yeah. And that's where they raise the pigs and stuff below. And yeah. So most of those houses here are built like this, I think, on this way. Yeah. And the fields, they will be fine after the flooding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be
No,
fine.
after the flooding is done, after that they start cultivating.
Oh, okay, nice. You know what this plant is? Is it also something to eat or it's just wild stuff? But yeah, as I said, see you guys.